So today we're bringing you to the new Golden Mile, to Cataleya, a beautiful 3-bedroom apartment. It's mid-floor, it's got some great views, it's ready to go, and it's got an incredible terrace as well. So if you're after something a little bit like this, let's take a look. So the apartment itself, we're talking all open plan, the kitchen into the dining room, into the living area. So if you want the breeze coming through with the big windows open in the summer, preparing the food, having friends, family around, I think this does the trick. So if you can see yourself living in this apartment, why not get in touch with the Cloud9 team today?